In the comments, I'll explain why I use the ingredients that I did, but here I'm just going to show you how to do it. You're going to get sage, thyme, and mint, and to that you're going to add lemon rind, and you're going to squeeze fresh lemon juice over it. You're going to grate and chop ginger root, and you're going to add that to your mixture of herbs and lemon juice, and then you're going to pour boiling water over it and let it steep for 20 minutes. I added a bag of green tea for extra antioxidants. You're going to mix half a cup of local honey with your concentrated mixture and bring it to about 300 degrees, which is really important because you don't want it to burn. And once you get it to 300 degrees and the consistency is nice and thick, you're going to drop it down into little cough drops onto parchment paper. This was my first time, so they were a little too big. And then I crushed a vitamin C into powder and used that to coat all the different little cough drops so that they weren't sticky, and it added an extra boost of vitamin C.
They look weird, but I love them.